Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm here with another video. This video is regarding idioms, English idioms, and these 15 idioms can enrich your speaking part, can add an extraordinary impression in your speaking and writing part. So without any delay, we are going to start and we are going to learn these 15 idioms, and we will take help of match the column. We are going to match the idioms with their right meanings so you can learn them quickly. So let's start it. First one is a blessing in disguise. It means a hidden benefit in something bad. Hit the sack means to go to sleep. This one, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, it means a very rare event. That is a correct. Piece of cake, very easy task. Break the ice, to start a conversation. Costs an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. Find out the real meaning here. Here we have something very expensive. A1. Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret. Spill the beans. Cry over spilt milk. It means to complain about something that cannot be changed. Burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. This one, under the bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to bite the bullet. It means to face a difficult situation bravely. Under the weather, that is feeling sick or unwell. Kill two birds with one stone. It means to achieve two aims at once. Throw in the towel. That is to give up or surrender. Cry off. It means pretending something to be sad when actually not. The ball in your court. That is, it is your decision to act now. These 15 English idioms will help you a lot in your writing and speaking part.